We are going to get our Canvas course, our Canvas sandbox set up, ready to roll. So what you're going to do is you're going to open Canvas. A couple of ways you can do this. You can go to Clever and click on Canvas. You can type in this address, pfisd.instructure.com. But once you get there, I'm going to recommend you go ahead and favorite it so it'll add it to your favorite list. Once you're in, go ahead and scroll down, and we're going to go open up your sandbox. You'll notice when you click on that it's going to take us to a wide open blank canvas. What we need to do is we need to import some content. We're going to come over here to the far right, and we're going to go import from Commons. The district has created a template that they want us to use. We can go in and personalize it a bit, but they want us to use this template. So when you're in Commons, being elementary people, you're going to choose Pflugerville ISD elementary template. So just click on that. It's going to open up this page right here, and we're going to choose Import Download. Click on that blue button right there. It's going to ask you where you want it to go. So we're going to choose your sandbox. So just put a click in that box and import into course. You'll get the green banner that says it's successfully started. It's going to take it a little while to do it. But if you come back over here to your dashboard and we scroll back down to our unpublished courses, you'll notice that your sandbox is changing a bit. So if we go ahead and open that up, now then, let's click on Home. And it's still populating here. When you click on Home, you're going to see this page right here. If it's not there immediately, just wait, be patient, and it'll show up. Now, what we want to do is we're going to need to edit this page to meet your needs. So this button right here that says Edit, click on that, and it's now going to take us to an editing mode. This cluster of 8 little dots down here, if you click on that, you can drag that down and it'll make your workspace a little bit bigger. First thing we're going to do is come up here. It says welcome to grade level here. You can either put welcome to 4th grade, or you can just put welcome to your name. If I did it that way, I'm going to go delete that text right there, and I'm going to delete this text. This is telling you how, if you want to create a Bitmoji image right here, it tells you how to do that, but I'm just for now going to delete that. And I'm actually going to delete this picture too, because I don't want that picture on my page. So I'm just going to click it and click delete. Now I need to add an image. There are several different ways that you can do this. If you are a Bitmoji user, up here at the top of your Chrome bar, you have your Bitmoji icon. You can just click on that, and if there is an image that you want to use, you could type school, welcome, whatever. I'm going to use this one. I'm going to click on it, and I'm just going to drag it down to my page. I'm going to center it, and now I have an image on my page. I can also add images by clicking on this icon right up here. And if I click on that, it's going to give me several different options. If I have a picture saved to my desktop, I can upload it. If I click on Unsplash right here, it's going to give us a link to a little image library. So if I typed in school and searched, it's going to give me some images to choose from. If I find something that I like, I can just click on that picture, submit, and it will add that to my page. Now it's big, so if I click on it, get my 4 handles, and go ahead and drag it and make it small enough to fit nicely there. All right, so we have added a picture, we've added our name, We're going to come down here and we're going to add a link to our Google Classroom. So we're just going to type in Google Classroom right there. I'm going to highlight that text. I'm going to go ahead and make it a little bit bigger, about 18 points, so it'll stand out. I'm going to come up here and I'm going to go to my Google Classroom, open that up so I can get the address for that classroom. And I'm just going to open up a classroom. I'm going to copy this address. So I'm going to highlight it, right click and copy, come back to my Canvas page. And now then, since that's highlighted, I'm going to click on my link icon right here. I'm going to choose external link and I am going to right click and paste. So now the link to my Google Classroom is right there. I'm going to click on done and that link is there. This table, we're not going to use this yet. We're going to come in here and use this later, but for now, it's not going to be active. We're not going to take care of that. So I'm just going to put a line in here that says table is under construction. So that way parents and kids know that this is not working yet. Okay, again, you can make it bigger if you want to. Now down here, we're going to delete this text. I'm just going to highlight it and delete that. If you want to put something about your classroom, a welcome here, okay, so you can put anything that you want to put in there. Our table's under construction. Now we need to come in here and edit this information. There is a placeholder if you want to put an image here, a picture of yourself, a picture of your classroom. Again, we will do this exactly like we did the picture up at the top. If you just click and come up here, you can import an image from your computer, go to Unsplash, or again, if you have a Bitmoji, you can add one of those pictures there as well, just by dragging and dropping, and again, resize it to fit. You're going to fill in this information here. You're going to put your email address right here. Whoops. Put your phone number right here. And you're also going to put a link to your Zoom classroom. If you have several Zoom classrooms, you would put all the links there. But if you just have one, then you can go get that address either by going to your Zoom page. You probably have it posted in your Google Classroom. So all you're going to do there is copy the link to your Zoom classroom and come over here. I'm just going to link it to that image. So when I click the image, I'm going to click on link options. I'm going to delete that and whoops. I'm going to delete this and paste in the new address. So now then this will take my students to the Zoom page. This text right here, I'm going to delete it because I don't need that. And I am finished updating my page. Click on Save. And you have updated your front page.